What's your doggy?
Yeah.
This Lucky. Lucky. Hi, handsome. There you go. Go to Jazzy. There you are, beautiful. Aren't you just so cute? Hi.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Let's just stay here. Let's just stay here. Let's just stay here. Let's just stay here. Come on, let's just stay here. Come on.
Honey, I don't think he knows what up the stairs means. He's just going to go up right there.
He got it.
You gonna dance?
Yeah.
You gonna sing?
Huh?
Stop, stop. You wild woman. Alright, stand still for a sec. Look at me. Come here.
Yeah.
Stop. Well, you're such a little drama queen. Look at me. Stop. Say hi.
Hi. Is Daddy on there?
No, Daddy's at work.
Or is Daddy in there?
This is the camera. Nobody's in there.
Is me in there?
Yeah, you're in there now.
Let me see.
In a little bit. Stop. What are you going to do today?
I'm to go to church.
No, that was yesterday.
Yeah.
You excited about your party tomorrow?
Yeah.
Can I see your new shoes? Let me see.
I gotta get that thing.
Oh, you got a set pair?
Yeah.
Let me see. Turn them. Oh, those are so pretty.
Now it's me down.
Let me see your hair. Turn. Oh, that is so pretty. Give me your hand. There you go. You crazy woman?
Yeah.
You gonna miss your Uncle Joey?
Yeah.
Well, tell it to the camera.
Huh?
Tell him Mama will miss you.
Mushy.
No, stop. Typical 3-year-old.
I miss you, Joey.
Back up.
Mushy Joey.
Joey's not in the camera. Stop coming towards it because I won't be able to focus on your face. I love you, pretty girl.
I love you.
You know you're going to get old one day?
Yeah.
You going to enjoy it?
Uh-huh.
You know Mommy and Daddy won't support you?
Uh-huh.
Gotta get a job?
Uh-huh.
No more toys?
Yeah. I want them.
Oh, you want toys?
Yeah.
What makes you think you deserve a bunch of toys?
You and Daddy.
Oh, me and Daddy makes you deserve toys?
Yeah.
Alright, well stop, stop. Turn around. Look at me. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Back up, back up.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.